Now, there's a question that I just posed to them now on the same extruder issue. How do you get it from China to Nigeria, number one? Then two, how do you set it up? Then number three, what's the cost like? What's the cost like? So,
well,
cracking.
as a customer of them, I would like to say that first of all, my machine was said it was going to be finished in 45 days. It was finished in 45 days. It was on schedule. Then the shipment was on the day.
Correct.
Just we had a certain Christmas holiday that was the only delay.
Okay.
And we imported it with no problems at customs, no quality problems.
Okay.
Then after the arrival of the machine, about 1 week later, an engineer of them flew to Istanbul. We picked them up.
Okay.
And first week, it was the installation. After the first week, the second week, it was the production. We produced all the lines, all my line of goods. When it's finished, we let him go. That was the.
How long did that take? About a week? 2 weeks?
A week installation, a week and the trial.
Okay.
It was a production trial.
Okay.
And we were successful and no problems.
And it's almost 2 years now.
Yes, I'm about exactly 2 years now.
Can I know your name and your dog line?
My dog line is Good Job, and I have 6 different products: Shine, Kiss, Savor, and so on.
Don't be surprised, we can add your line to our products in Nigeria too.
Yes. About this product, it's grain-free, GMO-free, and produced under no preservatives. Yes. In fact, I'm a food engineer.
Okay.
I'm in this business for more than 15 years by now. And I'm happy with the machines. They're profitable, they run good. And one thing about those guys, if you have a problem, they're back of their machines. You're not alone.
Okay.
24 hours.
Okay.
Yes, you can reach him.
Okay, that's okay.
Every time.
That's okay. That's okay. I love that. Lots of folks asking for the machine too. So that means quite a popular machine. And I think I'm going to encourage a lot of us. This is the best approach to assessing extruding machine, because I'm talking directly to the manufacturer. So it's all up to you. We are not talking to third, fourth, fifth party. Here is the fellow in charge. Okay. And here's a testimonial. Good. So, yes, Mr. Fish from Germany, it's all up to you. I've helped you enough. Spend so much money to come to the fair to make sure you have access to the best hands who can make you happy on your feed production system. I think that's okay. So you can give me a call for me to link you up directly, and I believe everybody will be happy for it.